Kung hindi ka nag-aaral ng bago or nag-a-adjust sa mabilis na takbo ng mundo, let me tell you, baka maiwan ka. 2025 na. The world is changing faster than ever. Kung hindi ka naging biktima ng pagbabago in the past, we cannot say that that will not happen in the future. There's new technology, new trends, new challenges, new ways of doing work, new ways of working, new ways of earning money. Ang tanong, paano ka mag-a-adapt? If you want to thrive, hindi lang yung survive, okay? You need learning agility. Learning agility, the most important skill that you can develop this year. Anong ibig sabihin ng learning agility? Simple lang. It's your ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn. Mabilis at bukas na pag-iisip. Hindi ito yung ability mo na dahil lang sa matalino ka, no? Hindi IQ pinag-uusapan natin dito. It's about being adaptable, curious, and resourceful. In short, it's your ability to adjust when life throws you curveballs, di ba? Sa mundo ngayon, hindi sapat yung experience lang, no? 5 years, 10 years of experience, madaling maging obsolete yan. Kailangan mabilis kang matuto ng bago. Bakit ito urgent? Kasi nga, alam mo ngayon, pwedeng irrelevant na bukas yung mga skill mo. Kung stuck ka sa dating paraan, you'll fall behind. Kung mabilis kang matuto, ikaw magiging nangunguna, no, leader ng pagbabago. So how do you know if you're developing your learning agility? Comfortable ka sa pagbabago, hindi ka takot, iniisip mo paano ko ito matututunan. You're resilient to failure, no? Hindi ka naninisip pagka nag-fail ka. Ang ginagawa mo, tinatanong mo yung sarili mo, ano natutunan ko dito? Bakit ako nagkamali? And you are excited for growth. Instead na umiiwas ka sa mga challenges, hinahanap mo sila because you know that that's one way to grow. Kapag nakikita mo yung mga signs na to, congrats, you're building your learning agility muscles. So how do you develop it? Mindset shift, no? Baguhin ang iyong mindset. Stop saying, hindi ko kaya. Instead, isipin mo, hindi ko pa alam to. Pero alam ko tong aralin. Take risk, no? Subukan mo yung mga projects or tasks na out of your comfort zone. Growth starts where your comfort zone ends. Di ba? Gusto ko yung quote from Richard Branson. If somebody asks you to do something and you don't know you're going to succeed, say yes and then learn in the process. That has been my favorite mantra. And reflect. Tanungin mo lagi sa sarili mo, what worked, what didn't work, anong pwede kong gawin differently. And then seek feedback. Feedback is the breakfast of champion. Huwag kang magtanong huwag kang matakot magtanong. Minsan, insights ng ibang tao yung kailangan mo kasi meron tayong blind spot. Makakatulong sa'yo yung feedback ng ibang tao. Stay curious, magbasa, magtanong, mag-aral. Okay, kung hindi ka natututo ng bago, stagnant ka. So, dapat natututo ka ng bago. So, 2025 na ha. Ang tanong, mag-a-adjust ka ba o magpapaiwan? Learning agility isn't just a skill, it's a mindset. And it's what will separate you, thriving from those who don't thrive. Kung gusto mong maging agile, start now. Commit to learning, adapting, and growing. Hindi ka lang makakasabay, ikaw pa yung magiging trailblazer. No? Kaya mo yan. Subukan mo. Try to measure your growth as you go along. I hope this helped.